I never knew soya beans could make a soup until I visited my mom last week. You guys, this is soya bean soup. This is not a goosey soup. So just in case you're seeing this and you think, oh, it is a goosey soup, or she wants to teach her to make a goosey soup. No, it is soya bean soup. Okay, so I was at home and my mom, I met her making soya beans. Like she was washing soya beans, washing off the peels. And I was like, Mom, do you want to make soya milk? She said no, she wants to cook soup. I was surprised. Like, soya bean soup? How? I've been in this house for a very long time, but I've never seen you cook soya bean soup. And she said yes. And then things were not too high. That she went to buy egusi the other day, and they told her a cup of egusi was almost 1,000 naira or 1,000 something. So she was like, oh, since there are just few in the house now, since it's just she and her husband, she's going to just buy soya beans and make that particular day and leave that egusi, because she already knows how to make soya bean soup. She was making it even before we were all born. Wow. I was like, okay, thank God I came back. I really need to see this. So she washed the soya beans. I watched her do it. I told her I was going to film it. She washed the soya beans and then she pounded it. She told me that there was no light anyways. She would have blended. She told me that an alternative to pounding is to blend. So she pounded it and we have this very smooth thing you're seeing here, like something that was blended. Old hand. It was time for cooking, and she told me that you cook it exactly the same way you cook your egusi soup. So we have oil in the pot to cook our soya bean soup, and after that she added salt to the oil and she added onions to the oil. Guys, this is my mom cooking and I was just there filming. And then this is the soya beans. She added the soya beans inside. I was just there watching, and yes, I was just going to watch and video this thing and show you guys so that we all see it together. Anyways, I'll just play the music and allow you watch this, so let's just keep watching together. And then she had to add in her protein. She had chicken in the house and dried fish she needed to use to make this particular soup. She added them in and then she stirred them in, and the soup was cooking. Wealth was there to watch. Then, just like your normal soup now, she added salt, she added maggi, she added pepper, and then she stirred this. At this point, I was like, are you sure this soup is going to thicken up? Like, it's still watching. Are you sure it's going to thicken? She said I should watch. And I was just there to watch. My own is to see now. I was there to watch and learn. So I kept watching this soup. The soup was boiling. It was like it's coming up. It was like it was not coming up. Like it wasn't like the regular egusi that I knew. But I said I'm going to see what the outcome of this soup will be. I will see what the outcome of mommy's soup, soya bean soup, will be. And if this soup eventually becomes what a soup is supposed to be, then I'm going to be cooking this, because guys, this soya beans actually has more health benefits than egusi that we know. egusi, you guys, is melon. So at this point, she added bitter leaf to it, and it was already boiling like egusi soup. Like it was boiling like, guys, if you're watching, you don't know what egusi is. We call it egusi. It's also melon, like the melon we use for soup. That's what we call egusi. So this, at this point, this was already like egusi. Oh, I was like, at this point, look at this is egusi soup now. So I was like, wait, is it actually soya beans? Soya beans looks like egusi. Wow. Now this has a lot of health benefits, and guys, I think I want to personally cook this more often than I'll cook egusi, because unlike egusi, this particular soya beans does not contain a lot of oil that can even give you bad cholesterol. This does not even give you fat. Like, it is very, very healthy, very, very healthy. So I feel like if you maybe you have your fat, or you're looking for something more healthier to eat, you should actually go for soya bean soup instead of egusi soup. Egusi contains so much oil that if you will read everything about egusi, you may not even want to eat it. But we just eat it based on it's something we like, right? But seeing an alternative to it, if you can make this mommy's soup, go ahead and make it. The soup is nice. Please give this video a thumbs up, right? Yes, like this video. I love mommy's soup. I ate it and it tasted so nice. I actually videoed myself eating this soup, but I just couldn't find the video on my phone anymore. This soup is so nice. It tastes so nice. Go ahead and cook it. Try it out. You can do it however you want to do it, like add your stockfish, add your other fish, you can add your vegetable, you can add any kind of leaf that you want to add, any kind of vegetable that you want to add into it, and enjoy it. You would prefer this. Funny enough, guys, it doesn't taste like the usual soya beans. Like, soya bean soup doesn't taste like soya milk. Soya bean soup doesn't taste like the regular soya beans taste and stuff like that. This is actually very nice. Guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video.